Here is an explanation for the answer to final exam question number 74 in Electricity Demystified, 2nd edition. If you have the printed book, please see page 337. How well should we expect an open switch to conduct electricity? Well, an open switch is just another way of saying that the switch is turned off. The switch turns the circuit off. What we have here is a schematic diagram of a common lantern. That's the bulb, that's the switch, and that is the 6-volt battery. You know those lanterns that you can use to provide plenty of light, and those 6-volt batteries that are pretty hefty things. They last a little while. Nowadays you can find LED, light-emitting diode arrays in place of the old incandescent bulbs. They last a lot longer and they give just as good, if not better, light. Well, anyway, that switch, when this lantern is turned off, that switch is open. So it doesn't conduct any current. That's why the lantern is off. So we would expect that an open switch would not conduct electricity at all. That's choice E. The only way that an open switch would conduct electricity is if we applied such a high voltage to the circuit that an arc, a spark, occurred across the switch. And that can happen. That can happen if, say, if you use a switch rated for 6 volts in a 3,000 volt high frequency radio transmitter power supply. If you use the wrong kind of switch, you can in fact sometimes get an arc or spark across the switch. But ordinarily in everyday applications, an open switch simply means, as shown here in the diagram, you can kind of intuitively see that no current's going to flow. So again, it is choice E.